Allô, bonjour à un choix difficile, leçon 19, page 276 à 281. Un choix difficile. Dans un mois, Delphine va aller au mariage de sa cousine. Elle va acheter une nouvelle robe pour cette occasion. Pour cela, elle va dans un magasin de vêtements avec sa copine Véronique. Il y a beaucoup de jolies robes dans ce magasin. Delphine hésite entre une robe jaune et une robe rouge. Quelle robe est-ce que Delphine va choisir? Ah là là, le choix n'est pas facile. Scène 1. Véronique says, alors, quelle robe est-ce que tu choisis? Eh bien, finalement, je choisis la robe rouge. Elle est plus jolie que la robe jaune. C'est vrai, elle est plus jolie, mais la robe jaune est moins chère et elle est plus grande. Regarde, la robe rouge est trop petite pour toi. Mais non, elle n'est pas trop petite. Bon, écoute, assieds-la. Scène 2. Delphine sort de la cabine d'essayage. C'est vrai, la robe rouge est plus petite, mais ce n'est pas un problème. Pourquoi? Parce que j'ai un mois pour maigrir. Et si tu grossis? Toi, tais-toi. Note culturelle. In France, window displays almost always include the prices of the items shown. Only the most expensive designer boutiques do not indicate prices. Ask students to hypothesize why the designer boutiques do not show their prices. What do you think? Send me a note and let me find out. Compréhension. These will be your homework assignment, and you need to answer the questions according to the text. All right? Do not pick questions out of the air. According to the text. Okay, note culturelle. Les jeunes et la mode. Les jeunes Français aiment être à la mode. Ils dépensent 30% de leur budget pour les vêtements. Parce que ce budget est limité, ils font très attention quand ils choisissent leurs vêtements. Heureusement, il y a des boutiques spécialisées dans la mode des jeunes, comme Zara, Mango et Etam, où les vêtements ne sont pas trop chers. Certains jeunes préfèrent la mode rétro. Ils achètent leurs vêtements au marché aux puces. Les verbes réguliers en IR. Many French verbs end in IR. Most of these verbs are conjugated like finir, to finish. Note the forms of this verb in the present tense, paying special attention to the endings. So we have finir, you take off the IR and you're going to add the new stems, and you'll add the new endings, but you will find the stem is fin, okay? So, je finis, IS ending, tu finis, IS ending, elle finit, IT ending. So it's a supersonic transport verb. This is the part where things get a little bit wonky because we need to remember that the plural forms have been naughty and have to go to ISS. So notice that we have this ISS in the middle here and then the regular endings. So nous finissons, ISS-ONS, vous finissez, ISS-EZ, ils finissent, ISS-ENT. Remember the ISS. Le Marathon de Paris. Not all runners finish the Paris Marathon. Say who does and who does not. For example, Philippe ne finit pas. Tant pis pour Philippe. So, do this and send me your answers in an email. Here's a list of some regular IR verbs. Choisir means to choose. Quelle veste choisis-tu? Finir means to finish. Les classes finissent à midi. grossir, to gain weight or to get fat. Marc grossit parce qu'il mange beaucoup. Maigrir is to lose weight or to get thin. Je maigris parce que je mange peu. Réussir is to succeed. Tu vas réussir parce que tu travailles. Réussir à un examen is to pass an exam. Nous réussissons à nos examens. Okay, some supplementary vocabulary. Some IR verbs correspond to the English verbs that end in ish, like finir becomes to finish. Établir is to establish. Abolir is to abolish. Verbs derived from adjectives often end in IR, such as colors. Rouge, rougir, becomes to blush or to turn red. Blanche, blanc, blanche, blanchir, to blanch or to turn white. Jaune, jaunir, to turn yellow. Brun, brunir, to turn brown or to tan. For size, we have grand and grandir, which is to grow tall. And note, gros means fat, and we get grossir. Maigre means thin, and we get maigrir. Voila! So, le régime, the diet. Read about the following people. Say if they are gaining with grossir or losing weight with maigrir. Philippe mange beaucoup de pizza. Il grossit, il ne maigrit pas. All right? And question personnelle. Be prepared to do these for class when assigned. Les adjectifs beau, nouveau, and vieux. So these three adjectives, beau, nouveau, and vieux, are irregular. They are wonky irregular. Notice the masculine form of beau is going to be beau, and then belle, like using set at the same idea in front of a masculine noun that begins with a vowel. We have nouveau manteau and nouvelle, vieux manteau and vieille. La belle veste, la nouvelle veste, la vieille veste. That's kind of easy because you know belle, the other ones fall into place. Les beaux manteaux, we have an X to make it plural. Les nouveaux manteaux, once again with that X to make it plural. And les vieux manteaux. Notice that these two are the same. And then we have les belles vestes, kind of obvious, just add an S. Les nouvelles vestes, obvious, so feminine, add an S. And les vieilles vestes, once again, adding an S. These are bags adjectives. In other words, they come before the noun. So the adjectives beau, nouveau, and vieux usually come before the noun. If the noun begins with a vowel sound, there is a liaison between the adjective and the noun. Les nouveaux ordinateurs, les belles affiches, les vieux impairs. And in the masculine singular, the liaison forms belle, nouvelle, and vieille are used before a vowel sound. Note that vieille is pronounced like vieille. Un vieil impair, une vieille robe. So this is like using set, the same idea. So let's practice doing this and do this ahead of time so you know what to do in class. And les comparaisons avec les adjectifs. So note how to compare adjectives. Okay, know how to compare things. So, cet impair est plus cher que ce manteau. Plus cher que means more expensive than. Cette jupe est plus jolie que cette robe. Prettier than. Paul est moins sportif que Patrick. Less athletic than. Il est moins amusant que lui. Less amusing than. Je suis aussi grand que toi. I am as tall as you. Tu n'es pas aussi timide que moi. You're not as timid as I am. So to make comparisons with adjective, French speakers use the following constructions. Plus, which means more, moins, which means less, and aussi, which means as in this instance, plus an adjective plus the word que. You cannot forget the word que. All right? Now here's a funky thing. You can't say plus bon. That doesn't make any sense. You have to say meilleur. La pizza est bonne, mais mon sandwich est meilleur. Okay? There is a liaison after plus and moins when the next word begins with a vowel sound. Plus élégante, moins intéressant. In comparison, the adjectives always agree with the noun or pronoun it describes. So, la jupe est chère, les vestes sont chères. So, language notes says in French, as in English, the second part of the comparison may be left out. Cette robe est plus chère. It's more expensive. Remember that the comparative form of bon marché is meilleur marché. This form is not actively represented at this time, though. Remind students that the other comparative forms of bon follow the regular pattern. Cette cassette est moins bonne que ce CD. Est-ce que les Red Sox sont aussi bons que les Yankees? And please, just understand, I don't do any sports things, so I have no clue. Okay? So important words to know. In order to compare things in French, you must use plus to mean more, moins, which means less, and aussi, which means as in this case. And you can't forget the que. La robe est plus grande que la jupe. Notice that the grande refers back to the la. The dress is more big than the skirt. Capiche? Alors. And let's practice to compare these following things. And this expression, à mon avis, is a good way to add words when you are writing and speaking, and it just means in my opinion. So easy to add. More exercises for you to practice, and the pronunciation of the letters I-L-L. In the middle of a word, the letters I-L-L usually represent the sound y, like the y in yes. Repeat after me. Maillot, maillot, travailler, travailler, oreille, oreille, vieille, vieille, fille, fille, famille, famille, juillet, juillet. En juillet, Mireille va travailler pour sa vieille tante. At the end of a word, the sound y is sometimes spelled IL, like as in appareil photo, vieil, travail. Mon oncle a un vieil appareil photo. There are some exceptions to this. The letters ILL are pronounced il in the following words: ville, village, mille, and l'île. So those are things that you need to remember. So I hope this helps you and that we have a good start with lesson 19. Whee! Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.